Hello YouTubers, this is Darklord.Asmodeus and welcome to a pack opening. So yeah, let's just get started. By the way, I have like 5 other people with me on Skype call, so if they want to comment on the polls. So we're opening an Earthbound Immortal tin and a Galaxy Photon Dragon tin. So we'll start off with first tin, Earthbound Immortal.
What are the packs in the Earthbound Immortal tin?
It was just older packs, like Storm of Ragnarok, I think. 2 Stardust Overdrive, 1 Ancient Prophecy, 1 Raging Battle, and 1 Crimson Crisis.
Raging Battle, I think you can pull something nice out of Raging Battle. Yeah. I forget what Raging Battle's the one with the good Blackwing. Yeah.
The good Blackwing?
Yeah.
Who runs Blackwings?
I run Blackwing.
Well, not like, I mean legitimately and winning.
Yeah, I do.
I run
with my Blackwing though.
Well, Lord Grant plays it legitimately.
So we get our promo card, Earthbound Immortal. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Anyway.
There's also Forbidden Chalice.
Chalice? No one runs Chalice though, everyone's running Lances.
I think Chalice run in Dragon Raid. Oh, what raid is 1 for 1? You actually have a decent chance of pulling 1 for 1.
So I'm opening, the first pack is Stardust Overdrive.
I don't think there's much good out of that other than Stardust.
This feels like, I don't think this feels like 9 cards. So we have Quick Draw Synchron, Ursulian Power, Solitaire Magician, Regulus. Earthbound Revival is the rare. Relinquish Spider, Level Eater, Spider Egg, just Reptilian Scythe. No, that was absolutely nothing.
You can pull a fist out of that if you are lucky enough to get a 3 fist.
Oh yeah, I remember that. When Upper Deck used to exist, I bought so many of these tins because they were like 2 for $20. And I got a Christia. It was 2 for $25.
I feel so bad now in this corner.
This card is misprinted.
Oh.
Like the border's a bit. See that? Yeah, the border is a bit up there.
No, we can't that actually.
Oh my god, these like 4 of these cards. You'll see it in the video, guys.
Oh.
The top border is cut off.
Oh no.
Actually, the whole top of the thing is cut off.
No.
So I got Reptilian Hydra as the super rare. Gemini Spark. Oh my god. How many cards were in this pack? 1, 2, 3. Okay, those were 9 cards in the pack. Dijin Releaser of Rituals was the. Okay, so I have 4 misprinted cards, and the whole top of the card was essentially cut off. Look at that.
Okay. Are you gonna sue?
No. I got these packs for free, dude.
Yeah. Oh, you got the things for free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put these in another pile. Just cuz. Okay, so next pack we have is Ancient Prophecy.
Ancient Prophecy. I think that's a good one. That has Fairy Dragon.
People are running Ancient Fairy Dragon now, right?
Like, yeah, I'm literally on
One with the Sword, Iron Core Luster, Major Upset. Archfiend Zombie Skull. The super rare. Reinforced Truth as a rare. Death Amulet, Advanced Draw, Fairy Wind, and Core Blaster.
There's nothing good in this set.
Next up is Raging Battle.
Raging Battle, okay. If there's any Storm of Ragnarok, you could pull a secret rare max.
I think Storm of Ragnarok was some other tin. I think it's in the Galaxy Edge tin. Proof of Powerlessness is a decent card. I tech it sometimes. It doesn't work out because it's hard to maintain. Gigastone, Wrecking Power, Primary Ice, Kalute. That's essentially nothing else. Now the last one we have is Crimson Crisis.
Alright. So these are like early 5Ds specs, right?
Yeah, early 5Ds.
Oh, you can get Debris Dragon.
Debris Dragon? Rare?
Yeah.
Isn't Debris Dragon rare though?
Yeah.
Telekinetic Power Well, Fake Explosion, Sirocco, and a ultimate rare Blackwing Armor Master.
Oh, alright. Yeah, that's good.
Inamoto, Spell Reactor, Cluster Beetle, and Super Solar Nutrient.
Still looking for building my Blackwing deck.
Oh, you could have pulled Dark Strike Fighter.
Dark Strike Fighter. I already have Dark Strike Fighter. No one wants it though.
I'm still trying to pull my dark.
Okay, so next up we have is the tin. Galaxy's Photon Dragon Tin.
I'm just trying to.
That one.
Well, I'm just trying to build my Blackwing deck.
What trying to build a deck that wouldn't really have any relevance this format for?
Because I face my friends and he uses synchros and I built this deck.
Wow, okay.
So we get our standard how to XD summon.
How to play Yu-Gi-Oh?
How to play Yu-Gi-Oh!
Because you already didn't know, like you need to learn again. You're not an admin on GM or anything. This is like one of those things where you receive a major loss and you have to like retrain yourself in order to get back into the game.
Retired like Grandmaster style.
Yeah.
So we have our five chronos? I think it's 5 chronos.
Yeah, but you get 5 points in that.
Galaxy Eyes, Fossil Dina, Guardian Yados, Malefic Stardust Dragon, and the Solemn Warning.
Anybody else hate Evil Heroes?
So we have 2 Storm of Ragnarok, 2 Extreme Victory, and 1 Generation Force.
I'm pretty sure I've never lost an Evil Hero deck in my life.
I know. That I was opening packs. I was opening packs.
So Nordic Relic Dragonair, Zingzhenhu Replica, Barry Resonator, Tiki Curse, Blacking Boar, the Sharp, Grammar, and Terrence. Nothing.
Yeah, Storm of Ragnarok, you're gonna want to pull Max 2. That's
Just it?
Or Forbidden Land.
Maxi or Super Forbidden Lance, let's go. Because I already have a Super Forbidden Lance that I pulled like a long time ago. Cosmic Compass, Cyber Shield, Barrier Resonator, Divine Relic, and Stardust Phantom. And the rest are nothing good.
Alright, so out of the next one, you're going to be pulling features, and maybe Reborn Tengu.
Extreme Victory? But no one runs Reborn Tengu anymore.
It's decent, and I have this. You can pull Tour Guide out of this. You better cross your fingers.
Tour Guide, Seeing Ceremony, Elder, Resolution, Nanashik, Mechlord Grenell, and Boone Esper TG 300 Mech Timed Blast. Okay, second Extreme Victory attack.
What else is there? Oh, you can get Debunk.
Debunk? Not a lot of people run Debunk now, because it's like, they activate like Chaos Dragon effect or something and then you debunk it.
Yeah.
I guess. And then they get to like, they don't get a search though. Actually, it would be pretty decent, but then they still have the other searches that trigger off. Yeah, so we have TG Werewolf, Dual Wield, Force Resonator, Red Dragon Vase, Resonator Call, TG Cyber Magician is the super rare, Mech Time Blast, TG Catapult, and Scarlet Security. Last pack we have here is Generation Force.
Generation Force is just a bad set. Just use it.
Just leave it. I just open it anyway and then put it in the inventory.
You're gonna get a ghost of Leviathan.
Goblinberg, Past Image, Gem Elephant, Crackling, Rare, Skystar Ray?
Skystar?
Yeah, and the rest are just nothing. The misprints are weird though.
I wasn't aware that Leviathan graphics came in this. Yeah, it was
Okay guys, thanks for watching, I hope you like it. So that's it, goodbye.